to Moche. But not in Paris, but it's in Strasbourg. We just got here how long ago?
3 hours back.
No way.
Yeah.
Really?
10:30.
11:30.
10:30. Took 3 hours.
3 hours and a half driving. I slept for 2 hours and he was driving. That's why he's so tired now.
No, also because I'm hungry. I need to eat. For the great evening out tonight.
What do you want to do tonight?
Dancing in the club.
With the French girls, of course. Oh, that's what we were. When we first arrived, we came check this church. Looked really, really German. Philip, say something.
I can understand everything because everything is English and Simone has Chinese.
Yeah, I understand all the languages. A while back we just felt like we were in a Panama Canal. Because this river has 2 different levels and we have to go up and down. So we got some flashback from when we were on the ship, Panama Canal. It was very nice to have that feeling because when you compare to other cities we've been, like Vleugels, Amsterdam, Paris with the Bateau, we never went down and up with a boat. So it was very nice to have this experience.
And we have luck with the weather.
It's a very beautiful day. And then after here we're gonna eat, and then we're gonna go to the hotel where we're gonna meet the ex-director from Le But, Meneer and Mevrouw Wonderham. So we're very excited to do that, and we're gonna try to enjoy the rest of the day. Oh, that's nice.
Beautiful green, huh? You see it. So
It's really bad, the reflection with the because of the glasses. Oh well, we have to go now.